There are only 2 times in your life that you should binge eat carbs. And that is before running a race and before hibernating. So I've got a half marathon on Sunday with my girlfriend. And we're gonna just demolish, I'm gonna make this tuna lasagna and we're gonna layer it with cheese and carbs and onion and tomato and tuna. So it's rich in protein and carbs. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna fill up our glycogen stores in the muscle so that we can run long distances, run for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours without getting cramps and feeling exhausted. And bears would also, demolish a whole hive of honey before entering hibernation. The goal is to spike your insulin as high as possible so that you store all of these sugars as fat that can be used as energy. But the problem is that most people are binge eating carbs without running a race and without entering hibernation. And if you are struggling with binge eating and you feel like you're never satisfied and you feel like the cravings just won't go away, I want to give you one simple, powerful piece of advice. And that is to increase the amount of fats you eat and increase the amount of proteins that you eat. Fats and proteins are the most filling foods on the planet. They're going to keep you full, they're going to keep you energized, and they're going to satisfy your palate because they taste so good. So I want you to think of like an omelet, right? Think of a cheese omelet with diced mushroom, diced tomato, avocado, grilled chicken. Make it taste good for yourself, that's the real trick, is make good food that tastes good. That's how you actually win at this. So I just wanted to share that with you. I've got this race, it's gonna be painful, but I believe that we are built to stand against painful things and to see them through and to take on challenges head on.